I think I went into it thinking it was solely a school, but I think the fact that it ended up being also summer camp made it a lot of fun.
From my point of view, BAS is basically a combination of academics and camps. So I feel as if it's a program that provides opportunities for students to extend themselves academically while really still having that fun camp experience.
Students will wake up about 7:15. Their classes start at 8 o'clock in the morning, end about 11:45, and then we'll have lunch. Students will go to Extension, which is a study hall where they'll do their homework for about an hour and a half, and then at 3 o'clock students have recreational activities from 3 to 5:30.
Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2, and then in those classes they come in and we just go over a little bit of last night's homework, go over a lesson. Who's frustrated?
We start out with writing skills, so they do a lot of personal writing, showing versus telling it. And then we do all the different analytical skills they're going to need, and then they write a literary analysis paper. You can take that and you can say, look, you can do this and you can turn this around.
So the goal with ESL is obviously to learn English, but at the same time learn other skills while you're learning English. So I like to do projects that have the kids up speaking in front of the class, so they're listening to the English skills as well as writing. In BAS, IS it's almost like a second class. There's a collaboration piece where it's, okay, now I've planned out like a secondary lesson. Having it 5 days a week in the summer is hugely beneficial to students that just need that extra piece to just understand what they're doing in class at certain times.
Extension is a great opportunity for students to really get one-on-one attention to monitor how they're doing in class, as well as have guidance for any homework if they're having trouble with homework, or just reassurance for students.
We feel it's very important, because of where we're situated here in beautiful Lake Winnipesaukee in New Hampshire, that we have our students experience the outdoors.
Our TAs are well trained, that before the program they're here for over a week before the students arrive, and they get accreditation in watercraft, and plus they do wilderness first aid.
Summer program that allows me to do things that I'm interested in. So I tell the students my main objective is for them to have fun. I'll sneak some science in along the way when they're not looking. I'm trying to relate scientific concepts to things that are part of their experience and then demonstrating them.
We have a great art center. Kids will be taking their video ESL classes, their computer graphics classes. We have a black box theater where the kids take their theater courses. And
I just have to.
also our Smith Center, which is our fitness center. We make use of that throughout the entire program, where kids are going over there and playing basketball or lifting weights, or we have an indoor track. And then we have an artificial turf facility that we use throughout the program as well.
Every year I see the kids coming together, the American kids, the international kids, getting together and forming a real close-knit group that's like a family.
I just think it gives them that classic New England vacation experience. We're surrounded by lakes and mountains, and we're near the coast, so we kind of get all those beautiful things all in a small place.
I think Boston was my overall favorite because I liked going to the aquarium and going around with our group of friends. We were all together and it was fun.
We live in a beautiful part of the world. I mean, how could you not be outdoors and enjoying it?
You like sleepovers every night with your friends, and you can watch TV, you can eat popcorn, cookies, talk, whatever you want to do.
I enjoy being with a lot of people in there. I get to get closer to some of the people that I've never met before.
I think it's the friendships that they've made, really. I mean, they've learned a lot in the classrooms, and that's why they're here. But they've met people from all around the world.
Wow, I can really make a difference in another person's life, just like that person made a difference in my life. To meet someone from outside their culture and to be able to say, hey, we are a lot more similar than we are different. And getting together and forming a tribe